I just found this incredible YouTube channel and it's absolutely amazing. It has only 16 videos, yet almost every single one has gone viral. That's a clear sign that this content style has huge potential. The best part is that the videos are actually very simple. They use basic illustrations, a clean voiceover, and straightforward editing. There are no complicated animations or expensive production techniques. Everything is well organized, professional, and easy to follow. The good news is that we can create this exact style of content ourselves, and we can do it completely for free. In this video, I'll show you the entire process step by step. You'll learn how to create the images, generate a natural AI voiceover,
Look at a dog sleeping in the
together, and produce high-quality videos without spending any money. So, if you're ready to make viral educational and storytelling videos like these, let's get started. Now let's move over to ChatGPT because this is where the entire process begins. The first thing I did was paste my master prompt into ChatGPT. Don't worry, you don't have to write this prompt yourself. I've already created it for you, and I'll leave the download link in the description below. Simply download the prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. You might be wondering what's included in this prompt. Well, it's much more than just a simple story prompt. It's a complete YouTube content generator. It tells ChatGPT exactly how to create a professional storytelling package from start to finish. Once you paste the prompt, all you have to do is enter your story idea or topic. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates everything you need. It creates a catchy title, a short story summary, an 8-scene story structure, a complete narration script, voiceover text for every scene, detailed AI image prompts, AI video animation prompts, a professional thumbnail prompt, and even a character consistency guide so every character looks the same throughout the entire video. For the image generation, I'm going to use Google Gemini, and this step is very important, so make sure you follow carefully. First, open Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have an account, simply log in with your Gmail. Once you're inside Gemini, you'll see the chat interface. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that it generated for your story. After that, return to Google Gemini and paste the prompt into the chat box. Before you generate the image, there is one small but very important step. At the end of the prompt, add your preferred image ratio. For example, you can write voiceovers or 69 voice if you want a YouTube landscape image, or voice or 9:16 narration if you're creating shorts or TikTok videos. This helps Gemini generate the image in the exact size you need. Once everything is ready, simply press Enter and let Gemini start creating the image. Honestly, when I saw the first result, I was completely shocked. I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good. The image looked like it came from a professional 3D animation studio. The characters looked beautiful, the lighting was cinematic, the colors were vibrant, and every small detail was incredibly realistic. It had that premium Pixar-style 3D look that many creators try to achieve using expensive AI tools. What impressed me even more was the character consistency. The same character looked almost identical across different scenes, which is very important when you're creating a storytelling video. I also checked the image carefully to see if there were any common AI problems, such as random logos, broken hands, strange faces, blurry backgrounds, or low-quality textures. Surprisingly, I couldn't find any major issues. Everything looked clean, professional, and ready to use. But I didn't stop after generating just one image. I tested many different prompts, different stories, different characters, and different environments. I created emotional scenes, outdoor scenes, rainy scenes, sunset scenes, and even fantasy-style scenes. Every single time, the results were consistently impressive. The quality stayed high, the lighting remained cinematic, the characters looked adorable, and the images maintained the same professional 3D style. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Google Gemini. You don't have to spend hours fixing bad AI images or regenerating them again and again. Most of the time, the first result is already good enough to use in your video. If you compare these images with those from many paid AI image generators, you'll notice that the quality is surprisingly competitive. It's hard to believe that you can create images like these for free. So once you're happy with the result, simply download each image for every scene of your story. In the next step, I'll show you how to turn these beautiful 3D images into smooth animated videos using another free AI tool. Now, let's generate the voiceover. Simply come back to ChatGPT and type something like, please give me a voiceover for each scene based on the prompts you generated. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete voiceover script for every single scene. Since it's based on the same prompts, the narration will perfectly match your story and visuals. Now it's time to convert that script into audio. You can use any AI text-to-speech tool you like. However, if you're looking for a free and easy option, I recommend using CapCut because it offers a wide variety of high-quality AI voices. Open CapCut and go to the text-to-speech feature. Then simply copy the first scene's voiceover from ChatGPT and paste it into CapCut. Choose the AI voice you like, click Generate, and within seconds your voiceover is ready. Repeat the same process for every scene. Copy each voiceover one by one, paste it into CapCut, generate the audio, and download it. That's it. In just a few minutes, you'll have a complete professional voiceover that perfectly matches every scene of your video. Now let's move on to the next step, turning your images into AI videos. For this, we're going to use a website called Veer AI. The reason I'm using this tool is simple. It's completely free. Yes, no credits required, no hidden charges, and no subscription. You can start creating videos right away without spending any money. Let me show you how it works. First, open the Veer AI website and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, go to the Image to Video section. Now upload the image you created earlier, then copy and paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT. After that, select your preferred quality settings and click Generate. Within a few moments, your AI video will be ready. No credits used. Completely free. The results are already very good, but if you want even better quality, here's a simple tip. Generate the same scene one more time using a slightly improved prompt. You can add a little more detail about the camera movement or character actions. Sometimes even a small change can produce much better results. I also recommend creating 2 or 3 versions of each scene. Then simply compare them and keep the one that looks the best. And the best part? Every generation still uses 0 credits, so you can experiment as much as you want without worrying about any limits. Once you've generated all your scenes, you're ready for the next step, where we'll combine everything into a complete, professional-looking YouTube video. Now it's time for the final step, editing everything in CapCut. Import all your AI-generated videos and voiceover, then place them on the timeline. Make sure every scene matches the narration perfectly. If needed, adjust the clip speed or duration so everything stays in sync. Keep your editing simple. Don't overuse effects or transitions. Clean editing always looks more professional and keeps viewers engaged. Before exporting, watch the full video once, fix any timing issues, and export it in the highest quality. That's it! Your AI-generated video is ready to upload. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!